how to uninstall Messenger on iPhone device. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can uninstall the Messenger on your device. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and locate the Messenger on your home screen. Once you locate it, long press on the app and many options will pop up here. Simply tap on remove app. Now you can see delete app right here. Tap on delete app and tap on delete again and the Messenger app will be deleted. The next thing you can do is go to your settings on your device. Here tap on general right here. Scroll down and tap on iPhone storage. Now here you can see Messenger. Scroll down and look at Messenger and tap on it. Here you can delete app. Just tap on delete app and tap on delete again. And in this way your Messenger app will be deleted. Now go back and you won't find Messenger on your home screen as it's already deleted. That's it. This is how easy it is to delete Messenger on your device. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.